Hey there friend, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use ChatGPT's DALL-E to remove unwanted elements or objects from your photos. So I'll start by opening it up, go to chatgpt.com, click here on add files and more, then I'll create an image and then click on edit an image. Gonna upload a photo real quick, and here I'm going to give it a prompt. So I want take this image and remove the person in front while keeping the two in back visible. I'll hit enter to send it the prompt with the image, and I'll give it a minute or two to analyze and create its own version. And there we go. So overall, it did a pretty good job of reconstructing the image, but I've noticed the hand looks a little wonky. So let's try fine-tuning that a little. Take that image and redo the hand. Make her place her hand in her jacket pocket and redo the young woman's hand. Makes her hand in her jacket pocket to hide it. So this way, any AI artifacts or hallucinations get hidden, and we're left with a clean, natural-looking image. A big upside of using AI tools like this is you get to skip the tedious process of using Photoshop. So let's just give it another minute. And there we go. That looks pretty good. That has pretty much solved the issue in the first original image, while keeping the subjects in view still very recognizable. So I'll go ahead and save it for future use, and I hope you were able to learn something new. Thank you for watching.